Our 3-door stainless steel reach-in refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 80 inches. A depth, we have 32¼ inches. And the overall height with caster wheels, we have 82½ inches tall. Coming to the top will be the power switch along with the temperature controller to operate this refrigerator. Coming to the center will be the right, middle, and left swing doors for this refrigerator. Please note that these shelves are not assembled for this video, but will be included for this refrigerator. Total of 9 shelves will be included and can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. 3 in the left, 3 in the middle, and 3 to the right. Measurements for each shelf will include 23 inches in depth by 24 inches in length. Instruction manual pamphlet along with keys will be included for this refrigerator. Coming to the left will be the ETL certification and specs for this refrigerator. Interior dimensions for this refrigerator will include 26 inches in depth, 26 inches in depth counting the back wall towards the front of the partition. Overall height, we have 52 inches in height. 52 inches is from the bottom towards the top of the trim of the refrigerator. Ceiling fans located towards the back of the refrigerator, along with the drain. Last but not least, this refrigerator uses a 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.